Hi, it's Ron again from Premium Motorhomes. I want today to introduce you to the Carthago Chic C-Line 5.0 QB. QB meaning Queen Bed. We'll see that later on. Come on, I'll show you around. Okay, what we've got here is a storage locker with a huge amount of storage under the floor. Okay, most of the C-Lines have that, but this one is particularly good. As we come back, you'll see that it's got Gaslow fitted, two 11 kilogram Gaslow bottles, which are both refillable. Coming back a bit further, we have on this one as well, before, we can't see it at the moment, but it's on the roof, we've got satellite system, which is easy for you to operate. It's just a one-touch system. When you come back to the garage, have a look in here. As you can see, it's got the needle felt insulation on it, and there is an inside or outside shower. So let me show you inside. So we're inside the vehicle now. So where I'm going to start is we're going to start at the front in the cab. Now as you look at the cab, what you've got, if you look in the middle of the cab on the dashboard, you've got the gearbox, which is a 9-speed automatic gearbox, which gives you smooth riding, smooth change up in the gears. You've got above that, you've got a Pioneer system with sat nav, and below that you've got the climate control air conditioning, so it'll keep you a constant temperature. To the right of the steering wheel you have the reversing cameras, so you can see where you're going when you're reversing, which is always a good thing. And then we come round to the TV, 32-inch TV, which is attached to the satellite system. We then come on to the tech tower. The reason we call it a tech tower is it's got the fridge freezer and the oven at the top. Now, it's a quite large fridge freezer, as you can see, and the freezer at the top, again, it's quite a large freezer, so you get a few fish fingers in there. Coming to the oven, it is an oven and grill, okay, and that's gas operated. Okay, panning round and looking into the kitchen, what you've got is a 3-burner hob, as you can see, with the electronic ignition. Above that to the right, you've got the coffee pot. Okay, now the coffee pot just pushes up out of the way, so you can just keep it out the way when you're using it. You've got the extra shelf on here, which doubles up as a cover for the sink. Come through to the back. If you have a look there, you've got a nice size shower, quite a large shower, and just in the roof light at the top, you've got hanging space for wet coats, etc., etc. Coming further around, on the left you've got a toilet compartment with the toilet, sink, and your cupboards for storage for extra toilet rolls, etc., toothpaste and all the rest of it. The other thing with this is you've got this extra little door that, should you require privacy when you're using the toilet, then that's there for you. This door closes off so that you've got privacy from the front as well, and incorporated here you've got your little wardrobe, which has got 2 pieces of hanging space. Okay, so plenty of room there. So finally, in the bedroom, we've got a huge double bed, and underneath, quite importantly, you've got drawers. You've got a big drawer there and one underneath. You've also got corners on where you can put storage as well. To the right and to the left, you've got more wardrobe space, and you've got lift-up recliners at the back of the bed. Okay, so if you are interested in this vehicle, the vehicle price is $99,950. $99,950. I nearly sold it too cheap. However, if you want to see this vehicle, by all means, it's online, it's on the website. Give us a call if you're interested in it, or even drop us an email.